So I'm gonna do a 360 walkthrough of the barn by Creekside. The fire pit is here, the creek is over there, and Abby. So this barn is original to the location. It's a bank barn, so that means it's kind of at the slope of maybe a bank or a hill. And it was constructed and erected in the 1850s. And then it was renovated and completed, turned into a house in last year, so a year ago, in March 2019. So we'll go inside. Abby, let's go. Let's go, Abby. This is bedroom number 1. Ooh, Marc Chagall, nice. Oh, I'm doing a 360 walkthrough.
Just me eating
The barn. How you're working hard or hard at working. So, going up. So a lot of this is original. This is bedroom number 2. This is bathroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And then we'll go up here. This is probably the most fun. Oh, I forgot to put away the clothing that were drying. So yeah, it's a cool, large, high ceiling cavity space right here. It's really awesome. And then, yeah, I think the rope there is original, probably still to this barn, and it connects to. There's a name for that thing. I don't know. I'll look it up and maybe add it in subtitles. Okay, and then from here, we'll just step out onto the deck. So the steps are original too, which is really cool.
Come on.
Huge moose. Not sure if it's real. And back on the backyard deck, I guess.